We don't deserve the glory, praise, and honor for whatever God accomplishes through us. Sabi sa John 1:3, through Him all things were made. Without Him, nothing was made that has been made. Diba, most of the time, when we achieve something, we always say, to God be the glory, o apart from Him, we can do nothing. Tama naman, and totoo naman, na sa lahat ng mga nararanasan nating mabubuti at naabot nating mga pangarap, ang Diyos ang dapat na napaparangalan. When this was preached sa last day ng Kingdom Conference, iba yung naging personal dealing sa akin ni Lord. Sa haba ng panahon at lahat ng pagkakataon, mananatili siyang Panginoon. Sabi sa Revelation 1:8, I am the Alpha and the Omega, says the Lord God, who is and who was and who is to come, the Almighty. But despite that, being Him all alone from the start, even without me, nothing but a speck of dust, He chose me out of my nothingness to use and to fulfill His purpose through me. Kumbaga, sa kabila ng lahat, kahit na gaano ka-insignificant o ka-worthless nung tingin natin sa sarili natin using our natural eyes, God sees something in us that He is willing to use us and make us an instrument for His own glory and purpose. Kasi kung hindi naman niya tayo pipiliin, mananatili siyang Panginoon. Pero tayo, without Him, we are nothing. Kaya totoo naman talaga kapag madalas naiisip natin na wala tayong halaga, feeling natin wala tayong na-achieve, kasi ginagrab natin yung credit na para sa Kanya lang. Kaya sobrang restless nung pakiramdam natin despite the journey and the path that we are taking. Kahit na nakuha na natin lahat ng gusto natin o meron na tayo ng lahat, mananatiling kulang kapag hindi mo alam kung sinong pupuno sa'yo. Kaya pagbaba ng Baguio, sobrang saya ng puso ko dahil alam kong araw-araw, bawat pagising ko, merong pumipili sa akin. At sure ako, araw-araw, bawat pagising mo, meron ding pumipili sa'yo.